God, I beg, hear me. God, I beg, hear me so. Every morning I wake up with empty bellow. Pocket dry, nothing knife itself. Like no day, fear don't cost like gold. How many go survive when life to go? School I go, I graduate with hope. Now I'm trekking, no work, I dey hustle, I just dey cope. Dreams big but the road too rough. I strong small but it done too tough. Mama dey pray, Papa just dey look. My siblings dey hope say I go change their story. But how I go do when road no clear? Government promise but them no dey hear. God I beg, give me small from my own, from the blessings where you don't prepare. I know ask for too much, I just want survive. Cause this suffering won't swallow my life. God I beg, hear my cry today. Make I see small life for this my way. Now you be my hope when all things fall. Now you are the call when nobody call. For this Naija, 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 man, they almost lose the faith, but I still believe. Tomorrow better. Rain day fall, but sunshine go come later. I no go give up, I no go retire. Your mercy they lift me higher and higher. Even when my eyes full of tears, I still they hold on despite my fears. One testimony if it change my name. Now your grace go put out despair. Government promise but them no they hear. God I beg, give me small from my own, from the blessings where you don't prepare. I know I ask for too much, I just want survive. Cause this suffering won't swallow my life. God I beg, hear my cry today. Make I see small life for this my way. Now you be my hope when all things fall. Now you are the call when nobody call. For this Naija, 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 man, they almost lose the faith, but I still believe. God I beg, hear me. Don't pass me by. Wipe these tears within my eyes. When you bless me, I no go forget. Now your name I go always respect. God I beg, hear me. Hear me today. Make my story change. Amen.
That's your man.